with basic literacy skills for cognitive sustainability. Literacy has become one of the most important ingredients for people to acquire in the 21st century, given the state of technological advancement. Adult basic literacy is the ability of an individual to identify, understand, interpret, amongst all the other things outlined by UNESCO. Nigeria is trying to catch up with the pace of global development and therefore needs this cognitive sustainability. To improve their living conditions, the adults participated in this adult basic literacy program. Hence, cognitive intelligence becomes an issue for them to actualize using Bloom's cognitive taxonomy. This level of cognitive domain could be critical to stimulate adult learners' mental intelligence, cognitive stability, and make learning useful for prosperity. Amongst the problems that we found out, it's important to note that adult learners lack basic literacy skills, which has led to some of them having the inability to read and write, poor cognitive sustainability, poor mental intelligence, poor relationships socially, seclusion from learned society, and living in. Now, this research was guided by 5 purposes, 5 research questions, and the methodology was a mixed one. Descriptive and quasi-experimental was used, with the population being all the adult learners in the non-governmental association for literacy support services centers across Lagos. Together, a total of 180 adult learners were purposively selected. However, 145 programs. Participation was voluntary, therefore, consent letter had to be written, while we used the questionnaire and the key informant interview for our research. It was a 2-hour intervention session with the use of reflex method and eclectic teaching method. We used the face-to-face 3 hours contact in a week for 6 months, but at interval of 2, 4, and 6 months, we had a refresher course. Now we had our result looked at the gender, and of course, we had more females than males. And in the tribe, we looked at the 3 major tribes in Nigeria, the Yoruba, the Igbo, and the Hausa. And the Hausa had more participants. Research questions, we had 5 research questions, and one stated that adult learners perceived adult basic literacy skills as relevant to cognitive development amongst others. And the hypothesis also had 5 hypotheses, and part of the findings of the hypothesis is that the adult learners perceive basic literacy skills as having no relationship with its relevance for cognitive sustainability among others. Conclusion: the whole essence of engaging adult learners in basic literacy program is for sustainability. Therefore, agencies and stakeholders in adult basic education must tailor programs to the need of learners to help its sustainability in the 21st century. Language of instruction is pivotal to sustain learning cognitively. The pre- and post-intervention outcomes showed level of cognitive sustainability. Recommended that the curriculum of the adult basic literacy be designed to have a combination of English and mother tongue amongst others.